month is already here and the festive season is fast approaching. If you're someone who is looking for that side hustle, that business idea you want to carry out in December, such that you'll be able to make good money, enough money, you will cash out, such that even you yourself, you'll be able to have a dirty December, then this video is for you. Because in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the lucrative businesses that you can carry out during this season and make so much money from. And the first one we're going to be talking about is sales of festive products. Now, when we talk about sales of festive products, we are talking about things like Christmas accessories. That is all the gift bag, the Christmas tree, the cap, all those little things that children like to play with during those times, all those things that are branded with Christmas. People are in the festive season. People are in the mood of celebration. So all those things that are created Christmas, all those kind of things, people are so much interested in buying them. Just go to wholesalers, look out for wholesalers that are selling those kind of things. Then you'll be able to get them at a cheaper rate and then resell them. And it's not just about Christmas accessories. You can go to companies and organizations, talk to them, go to the finance department or the procurement department, talk to them. These companies give out food items or even other things to their staff during the festive season. Like in my sister's place, they give them rice. I think last year they gave them 25 kg of rice. Now, if you're let me use rice for instance now. You don't even need to farm rice. You don't even need to go to the process of milling or doing anything with rice. Just go to the places where these machines are in the market, all those places they call rice mill. Just go to all those places. Talk to all those guys that are in charge of those machines, because there are people who actually mill this rice, take it to those places where the chaff is removed. That's the brown stuff. The chaff is removed. Then they sell it to market women. So these market women, you see majoring rice in the market. This is where they buy it from. They usually buy it measured in tins. That's how they are buying this rice. So when you talk to all those people that are in charge of those machines, when these people bring this rice and they want to sell it, they will buy for you or they will call you to come and buy. The only thing you need to do is that if the company paid you for 3 kg, 5 kg, 25 kg, 10 kg, or even 50 kg, any of them at all, buy the bag, package the rice and seal it. I think sealing is even around, sealing should be around 50 or 200 naira. It's not even expensive, and the bags are also not expensive. You just buy this thing, package it, and supply it to this company so that they will give their staffs. You are not doing anything. You are not farming the rice. You are not milling it. You are not doing anything. All you need to do is just market yourself to these organizations that you know that give things to their staff. Just market it to all these companies. The second one is going to be event decoration. Look at the festive season, is a time of celebration. So many events, from old school meetings, weddings, family gatherings. There are so many events, and all of these people want to decorate it. People want to decorate their offices, the churches, everywhere. There are decorations everywhere. The Christmas decoration. Just know how to decorate, or even if you don't know how to decorate, just find your way into these people. Talk to them, discuss it with them. Once they accept it, you are just the middle person. You go and talk to the people who do these things. You also get your own money and you will walk away. You don't even need to stress yourself at all. Just do these things in December and you'll be able to make good money, extra money, such that even you yourself, you're going to have that dirty December. And the third one we are going to be talking about is going to be graphic designing and digital marketing. When it comes to December, every vendor wants to be seen. People want to print things. People want to create graphics showing that, oh, I'm also selling this. I'm running promo and all of these things. When you see them, you see all those Christmas things on it. You know, the Christmas designs on it and all of that. A lot of business owners are trying to do this in December, and not just trying to design. A lot of business owners want to also market because this is the shopping period. This is a time where some people save their money till December. Some people, where their money is being saved now, and they are not going to touch it until December. That is when they are going to have their own dirty December. That's when they are going to be spending money, buying things and all of that. So people are actually running so much, or people are spending so much on ads at this time. So if you know how to run like Facebook ads, TikTok and Instagram ads, then you should start marketing yourself to all these business owners now, because businesses want to put out their self at that particular time so that people will be able to see them and patronize them.